Open cell foaming, leading the edge, SUNHUNK premium refrigerated trucks. Our premium refrigerated trucks are crafted with mature technology from the first-class SUNHUNK top-tier factory, the product of countless days and nights of dedicated research and development, propelling the cold chain logistics industry to a comprehensive upgrade. SUNHUNK's refrigerated truck products encompass high-end semi-trailer refrigerated trucks, center-axle refrigerated trucks, and a variety of light, medium, and heavy refrigerated vehicles, incorporating Europe's current advanced open-cell foaming process and production line equipment. Our rich production experience, technology, and industry standards have withstood the test of time. The product frames utilize a riveting process for high structural strength, and the floorboards are made from T6 grade high-strength aluminum profiles, welded in one go by an automated 8-weld path welding machine. The insulation layer is created using the open-cell foaming process for excellent thermal insulation, with equipment operations being intelligently automated, completing the foaming, insulation, and pressurization processes entirely automatically. We adhere to a green and environmentally friendly production philosophy, with the outer skin using pre-coated metal plates for weather resistance, UV protection, and corrosion resistance, and all hardware components are made from 304 stainless steel food-grade materials, among others. We are committed to becoming the most trusted global provider of cold chain logistics solutions. High-end refrigerated truck, choose SUNHUNK.